Hey Nail Techs, this is Jill Wright from nailtechevent.com. I am in my storage room for the Nail Tech event of the Smokies Nail Swag door prizes, and look what MelodySusie just sent. Check these out. We've got these big kits, and I can't open them because they're like sealed right here and right here. But there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think 10 maybe. Oh, and I still got a big box down below to open. So there's probably 20 of these big kits. I don't know, but there's a lot. And these are going to be as door prizes at the July 12th, 2026 Nail Tech event of the Smokies in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. These are, like I said, from MelodySusie, MelodySusie.com. And I would open it and show you, but I'd hate to spoil a Nail Tech's door prize. You know what I'm saying? By having it already opened. They get it and they'd be like, oh, it's open. But no, so anyway, look at these. And on top of that, these I did open because I was supposed to. These are the VIP swag. And inside here, they want me to put one each in the VIP gift bags. So check this out. Look at how beautiful this is. Gel polishes, and they're all in different colors. See on top there? So that's a MelodySusie gel polish, and don't you just love their packaging? I think it's so pretty, very elegant. So this one must be a white, and then this one, ooh, a black, and then let's see that one. That's like a burgundy-ish, maybe brownish burgundy. So anyway, one of these each will be in the 200 VIP swag bags. And literally, we only have a few VIP tickets left. So if you want a VIP ticket to have one of these in your swag bag, go to nailtechevent.com and get you a VIP ticket while you still can. There's always going to be general admission tickets, and we might have a few left over for general admission, but there's no guarantee. And everybody's swag bags are different. So if you have something in your swag bag that you don't like, you can always trade it with another nail tech there. And if you don't have something in your swag bag that you like, next year get yourself a VIP ticket, because the VIP tickets are guaranteed a huge bag of sponsored nail products like this from MelodySusie. And you get in 2 hours earlier show floor shopping on the morning of the show. So there'll only be 200 VIP techs shopping the morning of the show. So it's going to be less crowded, and you'll have first dibs at all the show specials, and you can get demos in your leisure and not have to feel rushed. So isn't that wonderful? So if you like a VIP ticket, go to nailtechevent.com, and if you'd like to order more products and see what MelodySusie has to offer, go to MelodySusie.com. Thanks. Peace out, Nail Techs.